Hey everyone, Alisha from the Investor Squad here, and I'm so excited to announce that the Investor Squad is going to be doing the KREIA main meeting this coming Thursday. With the uncertain, ever-changing market conditions, a lot of investors are having trouble finding deals, and if they do find a deal, the numbers and the math are not working, especially with that BRRRR method. We're going to go through a deal that we are currently doing right now that we found that is awesome. And surprise, it's a deal that every single person can do and find, including you. So make sure you're there to learn about how we found this deal and all the numbers. Also, the following Saturday the 30th, we're going to be doing the KREIA workshop, okay? This is going to be from 9 to 3, and we're going to do a deep dive in on landlording. There are going to be some awesome speakers there: Michelle Ron, Harry Borders, Dennis Erhard, Jordan Pone, Paige Batcher, and myself. And also one of our students, one of our rockstar students, Derek, is also going to be speaking, okay? Also, the deal that we talked about on Thursday at KREIA, we're going to be answering questions in regards to that deal. So make sure you're there. Get your tickets now. They're probably going to sell out, guys. So jump on there, grab your tickets on the KREIA website, and I can't wait to see you there. Oh, and one more thing before you leave. We are finally so excited to announce that we are opening enrollment for the Investor Squad, and we're going to share all the details with you also at the Saturday event, okay? So make sure you're there. Make sure you get your tickets. We are so excited to have you join us. Go Squad.